MashaAllah.
Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be unboxing the 7-seater sofa set which we have ordered from Oak Furniture Superstore, and we'll assemble it.
Or here. Pull the box.
Two cushions. It's for the 2-seater. Box which has instructions. We'll follow it then. Okay. Come.
Okay. I cut the tape.
These are the wooden feet. Be careful, wood पे निशान पड़ जाएगा. चलो बैठ गए. This is the instruction manual. Here instructions for sofa. Long screws two short screws. We are going to fix this feet with this help of this long board. Okay, now we are going to assemble the sofa. We are now fixing the feet with the help of this long bolts and washers.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
This is the sofa leg that we are going to attach with the help of this long bolt and washers. And with the help of this key we are screwing the bolt.
Usher, what's going on?
We're flipping the sofa.
We have fixed the feet of this two-seater sofa, and it's very nice in quality and very light in weight.
Let me help you. What did you want me to do?
ये देखा है। Okay. Three cushions. Take it out.
Yep.
Installation light. These are the feet.
Leg.
Feet, legs also. Now we are going to fix it. Okay, we have fixed the one leg. This one we are going to fix in the middle. जैसे किसी एंगल से खिंचता किसी एंगल से नहीं पहुंच रहा. Now let's
Be very careful, Amir.
So guys, this was our unboxing video for the new sofa set that we ordered from the Oak Furniture Superstore. The sofa quality is very nice and it is very light in weight. Let's see how it performs over the years. We are very happy to order the sofa from the Oak Furniture Superstore. They always deliver the product as per their commitment, and we are very happy and satisfied with the customer services they provide us. They have provided all the tools and instructions so that you can easily assemble the sofa I hope you have enjoyed the unboxing video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can receive future notifications. Thank you for watching.